Okay, everyone, welcome again to another video learning with your favorite lecturer, Mr. Danang Wiratnoko. So today is our 13 meeting, yeah, everyone. Okay, so this is our 13 meeting for the TOEFL class, yeah, TOEFL. Sorry, bahasa Inggris 3 TOEFL class preparation. Okay. This one, let's go to our YouTube here. Okay, and then we have this one. And we go here. Semester 4. Okay. All right, so the one who cannot join us, you can see us in the YouTube, yeah, YouTube channel. Okay, everyone. Break room is 3. Okay, let's have a look at our. Go here. Okay, so the time is almost 15, yeah. So let's wait for the others to join us. Breakout room is 3. Oh, we have Kayla. No, Kayla is out. Okay, this one. We get our. Um, mm, 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 mm. So we go to. Yeah. Okay. Hello, Kayla. How are you?
Hi, good sir. Thank you for asking. How
Okay.
about
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you very much also for asking. And we have Harry. Harry, how are you?
I'm good,
Okay,
but
where?
I'm little bit
All
sick.
right.
How about you?
I'm good, thank you, but I'm a bit under the weather, but I'm good. Okay, may I know where are you at, Harry? Are you in Semarang?
Oh, recently I'm at Central Java right now, but my position right now is Purwodadi, Grobogan.
Excuse me?
My
Where is that?
position right now,
Mm-hmm.
Purwodadi. Do you
Oh,
know Purwodadi?
Purwodadi. Oh, okay, okay.
I visit my mother.
Oh, you visit your mom?
Yeah,
Okay. For how long?
23 days.
Okay. What happened to your mom? Is she okay?
A little sick, I think,
Oh, okay. I hope she.
because
Mm-hmm.
my mom like all
Mm-hmm.
around
Okay.
wait.
It seems that your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up.
Oh,
Maybe the
yeah, yeah.
connection.
Wait. Hello, sir. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yeah, I can hear
Uh,
you.
my mom very old, I think, because 75 years old.
75? Oh my God.
Very
Wow.
old. I get early because I miss my mom and I miss my my city, Semarang, and then
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
the winter about the winter and food.
Okay. I see. Okay. I hope that she's recovering and getting well. Okay. Thank you, Harry.
Thank you
And
very much.
and we have P. Who is this P? Could you put your full name? The letter P. Hello, P. Okay. Maybe uh, you have a mic problem. Let's get back to Kayla. Kayla, how are you? Kayla,
I'm good, sir?
where are you now?
At home, sir.
Semarang?
Oh, yes, I'm from Semarang.
Oh, I see. Is it hot there in Semarang? Is it very hot, Kayla?
Yes, yes, sir, but now not really. Little bit cloudy.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's good. And we have Sugi. Hello, Sugi. Can you open mic? Sugi and Efifa Belina. Okay. All right. Let's continue. Oh, say, let's begin. What I mean is not continue. Let's begin our lesson here. Oh, sorry. Okay, I was looking for something. There you go. Sorry. Okay, so this is our 13th meeting, yeah, everyone? Oh, okay. Who is chatting me? Wait a minute. Sugi, okay. Permit listening during. Oh, okay, sorry, Sugi. Thank you for your information. Okay, you may. All right, everyone. Welcome again to another lesson of English. Yeah, this is for English 3, focusing on TOEFL class. Yeah, for TOEFL preparation. And then hopefully uh, you can continue to the next final, the final level, yeah, of TOEFL 3 also, but it's in semester, I think semester 6. Yeah, if you, I think it's only TOEFL 3. That is the maximum. If you did not take in semester 4, you have to take it again, I think, in semester 6. So I don't know. Anyway, okay, so we are still in the reading comprehension. Basically, this is the final session ya, which is the suffix ya. Jadi kita ini yang terakhir, yaitu tinggal suffix, and then next meeting will be practicing only ya. So practicing on the exercises, on the what you call it, trying to figure out the exercise on TOEFL book. Okay, so let's begin with our next ice breaking dulu. Can you tell me if you know the vocabulary? Coba, saya pengen tahu kosakata teman-teman. What is panjang in bahasa Inggris? Anybody know what is panjang in bahasa Inggris? Okay, we have
Long.
Sevin. Long. Okay, thank you, Harry. Long, yes. What about tangan?
Hand.
Hand. Okay. Yes, thank you, Harry. So, what is panjang tangan in English? What do we call panjang tangan in English? Long hand? Or maybe dalzim? Anybody know? Panjang tangan.
Like to steal.
Hmm?
Like to steal or a thief.
Oh, okay, yes. Thief, that's right. Okay, robber or thief, that's right. Next one. Bahasa Inggrisnya tidur.
Sleep.
Sleep. Okay. Siang?
Noon.
Noon. Okay. Noon, or we can say it afternoon. Yeah. Okay. And then what is tidur
Take a nap.
siang?
Take a nap.
Take a nap. Okay. Wow, Harry, how do you know? Yes. Tidur siang means take a nap, ya, atau napping. It's okay. Next one, bahasa Inggrisnya uang.
Money.
Money. Okay. Muka?
Face.
Face. Okay, good. What is uang muka?
Down payment.
All right. Wow, down payment. How do you know this? Okay, next one. Gantung.
I think hang.
Hang. Okay, good. And then sepatu.
Shoes.
Shoes. All right, shoes. What is gantung sepatu?
Wait, give me a time. Wait. Then,
Mhm.
retirement.
Huh? What is it?
Retirement.
Okay, yes, retire. Okay, or retirement is okay, retire. Next one, gantung. Okay, the same, yeah, hang. And then status.
Status.
Status, okay. What is gantung status?
PECTX.
HTS.
They have it.
Most of the students says HTS too. Okay. No, it's called in limbo.
In limbo. Is it familiar word?
Yes.
You can tell me.
I don't know, but that's just the way it is. That's a saying. It's called
Other
in
word?
limbo. Yeah,
Oh, in
it's
limbo.
just a saying. Ya kayak ungkapan lah, in limbo, like that. Oke, gantung again, hang, hubungan,
Relationship.
relationship, oke, or relation. What is gantung hubungan?
When
What is it?
being led on
No.
on a hanging relationship.
Yeah, but no, that's not quite. Anybody know? Kayla, do you know what is gantung hubungan?
Uncertain relationship.
Uh,
No.
no, I don't think so. There's another saying though. Some people says it's this one. It's called
Nanti.
ghosting. Yeah, gantung hubungan means
Ghosting.
ghosting. Okay. Next one, number 7. Gantung is hang. What about pakaian?
Close.
Clothes. Okay. What about gantung pakaian?
Nice.
What is gantung pakaian? 5?
Hang close. No.
Mm, okay, gantung pakaian is called hanger. Okay, next one, number 8, berat.
Heavy.
Heavy, yeah, so heavy. Okay, next one, sebelah.
Behind.
Beside, okay, or next to. Okay, beside or next to. What is berat sebelah?
Pilih kasih.
What is? I can't hear you. It's a bit. There's a feedback. Okay, heavy. Berat sebelah, sorry. Berat sebelah is biased. Biased. Okay, we call it biased. And then number 9. Berat is heavy. Hati. What is hati?
Reluctant.
Hmm?
Reluctant. Reluctant.
Oh, sorry. Oke, berat hati-hati is heart ya. Oke, kalau berat hati? Okay, we don't know. I'll open it for you. It's called reluctant. Okay, berat hati is called reluctant. Okay, number 10, 2 more to go. Berat is heavy. Dosa? Okay, dosa in English we call it sin. And then, berat dosanya? It's called the weight of your sin. Okay. Next one,
That
11.
means
Ibu.
a sinful person.
Excuse me. What is it, Mas Heri?
Mom.
Oh, okay, mom.
Mom.
Yes, mom or
Mom.
mother. Jari,
Finger.
finger. Okay, ibu jari.
Thumb.
All right, thumb. That's right. Some people says mother finger. That's not quite right. Yeah, we call it thumb. Okay. Bahasa Inggrisnya ibu is mother. Kalau kota?
City.
City, oke. Kalau ibu kota,
Capital city.
All right. Yes. Thank you,
Yeah.
Kayla. Capital city. Yes. All right. Let's go to the material here. We have the root word ya, akar dasar. Akar kata atau dasar kata ya. We have the string and strict. Okay, so here string or strict it means bind ya, mengikat, or close atau menutup, or even tight. Oke, ketat. Ya, kayak mengikatnya itu terlalu ketat. Oh, sorry, the strict, that is strict. Strictness. Okay, he underwent surgery to correct a stricture in the uterine canal. Okay, he went under surgery to corrected a place in his arterial canal that had arterially closed or become too tight. And then his prohibition office restricted his activity greatly. His prohibition officer placed tight controls on his activities. And then the boa constrictor is a family pet. Yeah, the snake known for squeezing its prey. Tightly is a family pet. And then we have the professor made very stringent rules about the written work of her students. Okay, the professor made very tight atau strict rules about the written work for her students. And then we have the root word, akar katanya tact, tang, tig, and ting, berarti touch. Ya, jadi kalau ada di tengah-tengahnya ada apa? Tacting, tact, tang, ting, ting, ya. Itu artinya sentuhan ya. I need to contact Professor Darmono ya. There's a tact. Okay, I think the meaning is I need to get in touch. And then he had to pay quite a bit of money, intangible tax last week. So he had to pay quite a bit of money in tax on items that you cannot touch. And then the word akar kata adalah vict and vinct, ya. This one is called menaklukkan, to prevail. And then berlaku atau menang ya, use authority menggunakan wewenang, or overcome mengatasi atau menanggulangi. Marcina convinced her employee to change the overtime rules. So Marcina prevailed in an argument with side management to change the overtime rule. The police Pamong Praja evicted the tenants because they had paid their rent. The police Pamong Praja used authority to remove the tenants because they didn't pay their rent. Yeah. Now, right now the government has certain rules, yeah, especially in Klaten. If you are like a vendor, ya, pedagang kaki lima yang apa istilahnya menjajankan masakan ya, kayak nasi goreng apa itu biasanya mereka membangun tenda ya, so tents ya. And then in Klaten they have rules that you can open your shop from 6 o'clock. Yeah, you can open it from 6 o'clock, or you prepare 5:30, but you have to be closed at 11. Ya, yang paling telat ada jam 11 itu harus sudah tutup ya. And then you cannot leave your tent. Jadi nggak boleh apa istilahnya tendanya nggak boleh ditinggalin, harus dibawa pulang. Ya biasanya pedagang kaki lima tuh ya mereka kasih apa kayak patokan ya. So this is my place, and then nobody can use it ya like that. But now they are have this strict rules ya, that every 11 o'clock all the vendors have to be cleaned. And then the politician was convicted of accepting a bribe from a contractor. Yes, this is our politician. Yes, so many government politicians have taken a bribe. Yeah, the police was conquered in a trial for accepting a bribe from a contractor. The victor shook hands with his opponent. Yeah, the one who won, shook hands with the opponent. Okay, and then we have viv. Akar kata atau the root word, it means life. Ya, life yang hidup, lively. Ya, hidup yang bersemangat atau cemerlang, atau alive, masih hidup. Ya, yang gembira. The lifeguard revived the child he pulled from the pool. Okay, the lifeguard brought the child back to life after pulling him from the pool. And then we have this one, is the last section, yeah. Okay, Harry, thank you very much. Oke, sebuah akhiran suffix adalah sekelompok huruf yang melekat pada akhir kata ya. Biasanya akhiran menunjukkan kata dalam bagian berbicara. Sebagai contoh, akhiran mungkin menunjukkan bahwa kata adalah kata benda, kata sifat, atau kata keterangan. Ya, this one. Dan biasanya bagian test TOEFL reading ya tidak menggunakan kesalahan dari parts of speech ya. So be very careful of the what you call the part of speech ya. Ada verb, ada adjective, and also ada adverb ya. Okay, this is the suffix ya. Sebuah akhiran sering mengatakan apakah kata itu kata benda, kata kerja, atau bentuk kata lain. Ya, so for example ada image. Okay. And then we put the and then it becomes we put the it becomes image. Image means verb. And then imagination is a noun. And then imaginary adjective. Imaginative also adjective, and imaginatively, this is adverb. Pokoknya yang akhirannya ly itu biasanya is adverb, tapi tidak semuanya ya. Noun ending, oke, akhiran kata benda. Akhiran berikut biasanya menunjukkan bahwa kata tersebut adalah kata benda. Ada shun, chen, ishen, ashen, ace, enge, or, and hood. And then ship, ety, ment, nes, ism, and is. Okay, semua akhiran ini ditambahkan ke akar kata kerja kecuali ship and hood yang ditambahkan ke kata benda, dan nest and ty ya yang ditambahkan ke kata sifat. Okay, we have the suffix ya, akhiran ya, suffix itu akhiran. For example, action. And then we have, okay, Siliwangi, welcome. Is that Siliwangi? Eviva Belina? Hello, Eviva, is that Siliwangi or not?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Cuman ganti laptop aja, sir.
Okay, Mas Ahmad, thank you very much. Could you write down the members, please? And then we have the communication, yeah? Communication, composition, and then we have insurance, correspondence, professor, computer, neighborhood, childhood, friendship, membership, loyalty, reality, complexity, yeah? And then judgment, argument, stubbornness, happiness, capitalism, and capitalist, yeah? Okay, the next one, we have the daftar akhiran table sebelumnya berlaku untuk seseorang. Oke, ini untuk seseorang ya. So, if you are referring to a person, kalau kita ingin mengutarakan dia ada orang ya, kita pakainya or, atau us. Jadi instructor, teacher, biologist. Nah, ini adalah orangnya ya. Misalnya kayak driver. Okay. And then what else? Writer, ya, author. Nah, itu biasanya the person. And then berikut adalah akhiran yang dari table yang sama berlaku untuk hal yang tidak berwujud. Oke, ini abstract. Ya. Person. Concentration, radiance, competence, legality, stubbornness, communism. Communism, yeah. And then verb ending, akhiran kata kerja ya, akhiran kata kerjanya and is. Ya, kata benda untuk sifatnya membuat kata kerja. Oke, yang biasanya untuk menyatakan dia adalah is a verb ya, haste, hasten, standardized, ya, with a ZE. Oke, contoh lain dari kata kerja yang dibuat oleh n adalah awaken, harden, flatten, shorten, heighten, enlighten, weaken, hearten, darken, and strengthen. Oke, contoh kata kerja yang diciptakan oleh is adalah authorize ya, legalize, criticize, nationalize, intellectualize, symbolize, naturalize, centralize, summarize, emphasize, visualize, mobilize, categorize, stabilize, economize, terrorize. Okay. And then adjective ending untuk kata sifatnya ya. Jadi ini ending yang sifatnya berupa kata sifat. Ada less, full, l, os, ios, eos, ed, n. Oke, biasanya juga past participle. Okay, we have, oh, what happened here? Oh, sorry. What happened to my mouse? And then, bisa juga dengan menambahkan semua akhiran sebelumnya untuk kata benda kecuali able, and even. Okay, yeah, this one. Jadi ada suffix yang untuk akhirannya adjektif ya, hopeless, thoughtless, hopeful, thoughtful, original, functional, gaius, dangerous, cooked, broken, beaten, aggressive, attractive, agreeable, digestible. Okay, and then adverb. Ya, ini untuk adverb pasti akhirnya ada ly ya. Ada beberapa pengecualian untuk aturan ini. Hard and fast. Nah, kata hard and fast ini dapat digunakan baik sebagai kata sifat dan kata keterangan. Sementara hardly merupakan kata keterangan yang berarti barely. Keduanya friendly dan lively terlihat seperti adverb, tetapi sebenarnya itu kata sifat. Oke, yes, friendly ini adalah kata sifat, bukan kata keterangan ya, atau bukan adverb. Oke, dan hubungan kata kerja, kata benda, dan kata sifat berikut adalah daftar kata kerja verb, kata benda noun, dan kata sifat adjektif yang memiliki akar kata yang sama dan kadang-kadang prefix tapi akhiran yang berbeda. Jika Anda tidak tahu arti dari kata itu, kata-kata yang dimaksud itu ada dalam kamus. Oke. Dalam daftar ini Anda mungkin mengenai awalan atau akar kata dari bagian sebelumnya dari bab ini yang akan membantu Anda menentukan arti setiap kata itu. Okay, so here the commonly used, ya, secara umum in TOEFL test, ya, we have apprehend, apprehension, apprehensive, assert, assertion, assertive, communicate, communication, communicative, include, inclusion, inclusive, contribute, contribution, contributional, strict, striction, structive, contract, contraction, contradictory, and then we have contradict, ya, contribute, contribution, create, creation, demonstrate, demonstration, demonstrative, dominate, domination, dominate, exclude, exclusion, exclusive. And then expand, expansion, expansive, impress, impression, impressive, institute, institution, institutional, isolate, isolation, isolated, predict, prediction, predictable, project, projection, projected, reject, rejection, rejected, repels, repress, 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 repression, repressive, restrict, restriction, restrictive, select, selection, selective, suppress, suppression, and suppurative. Oke, dalam table berikut, kata benda yang dibuat dengan menambahkan ends ke akar kata. Assist, ya, dari verb berubah jadi noun assistance, assure, assurance, comply, compliance, defy, defiance, ignore, ignorance, significantly, significant. Then we come to adjective, ya, assist, assisted, assure, assured, comply, complaint, defy, defiant, ignore, ignorant, signify, significant. And then menambahkan ends, ya, adherence, coherence, emerge, emerge, excel, infer, insist, persist, proceed, adherence, adherent, coherence, coherence, coherent, emergency, emergent, excellent, excellence, excellent, infer, inference, inferential, insist, insistent, insisted, persist, persistence, persisted, and then last one, according to the professor, precede, preceding, preceding, ya, preceded, preceding. Oke, gabungan keterampilan kosakata, ya, ini ada digabungkan, ya. Jadi pengetahuan kata, jika Anda tahu apa arti satu kata, maka Anda ada hebat. Pengetahuan prefix, suffix, dan akar. Oke, jika Anda tidak tahu apa arti suatu kata, untuk coba mencari tahu dari pengetahuan tentang awalan, akhiran, dan akar. Pengetahuan tata bahasa, ya, jika Anda tidak tahu arti suku kata dan tidak tahu maksud dari awalan, akhiran, dan akar, cobalah untuk memastikan apakah part of speech dari kata tersebut berupa kata benda, kata kerja, dan juga invalid, keterangan, dan seterusnya. And then we have the context, ya, jadi kita tergantung konteksnya juga. That's very important. Okay, let's go to the benang merahnya. Ya, what is a root word? Root word atau akar kata, ya, is the basic meaning of the inside. What's different between repress, suppress? Oh, do we have that? Repress, suppress. Oh, okay. Repression, repressive, and then suppress, suppression, suppressive. Yeah, me too. We don't know. Coba kita check on Google ya, everyone. I never heard of that one before. Okay, what is it? The different between repress and suppress. Okay, this is repression and suppression. Let me share it with you guys. Okay, so repression and suppression are both physiology defense mechanism, but they differ in how they function. Repression is an unconscious process where distressed thoughts, memory, and desire are pushed out of awareness, often due to trauma, anxiety. Okay, in contrast, suppression is a conscious effort to avoid or control unwanted thoughts and emotion. Oh, okay. So suppress is a conscious effort to avoid or control unwanted thoughts and emotion. Jadi kalau yang suppress itu kita bisa menahan ya. Okay, conscious effort to avoid or to control unwanted thoughts or emotion. Is there any example here? Key differences? Excuse me, oh my God. Repression is unconscious. Okay, so repress itu dia tidak sadar. Sedangkan suppress itu yang sadar ya. Jadi seseorang, if you are repression is in unconscious, tidak sadar. The person does not realize they are blocking something out and they cannot voluntarily each call the hidden context. Suppression is conscious, ya, dia adalah sadar. The person is aware of the thought or feeling but enjoys to avoid or ignore it. Yeah, so that's about suppression. Thank you very much. Katri. Oh, sorry, Katri. How are you? Jadi kalau yang repress itu dia tidak sadar ya bahwa kejadian masa lalu itu dia nggak bisa mengkontrol. Tapi kalau suppress itu dia aware, dia sadar dan bisa dikontrol. Oke. Okay, so let's get back here. The root word ya. Example construction. Ya, ada kata construction. Con adalah together, struck adalah build, in adalah noun ending. So the meaning, the act of building, if you learn one root, you can understand many vocabulary roots. Ya, itu adalah intinya. Kalau teman-teman sudah bisa kafal keluar dari kepala ya, just one word and everything will be so easy about it. Okay, next one. Number 2. Oh, we still have the root, yeah. So this is the first one of root word. We have string, strict, yeah, because meaning string or strict to draw, tight, bind together. Okay, bind and tighten. For the Latin struggle, no healing. Okay, common words. Number one is strict. Strict, it means demanding exact obedience. Example, my teacher is strict, meaning the teacher expect rules to be followed. And then we have number two, restrict. Re means back, strict means tighten, restrict, tighten back. Meaning to limit. Example, the school restrict cell phone use. Number three, constrict. Cons together, strict, tighten. It means to squeeze tightly. And then number four, stringent, meaning very strict. Example, the company has stringent safely rules. And number five, we have stricture, yeah, a restriction or limitation. The budget stricture affected the project. So this is a memory kit for the strict rules, yeah. When something is pulled tight, there is less button. And then if it's strict rules, strict. Okay, number two, root, tag, tang, ting, ting. Basic meaning all become from Latin tangere, meaning to touch. Okay, and then tact. Oh, sorry. Tactical meaning related to touch, yeah. And then tact means skill in dealing with people. She answered, in fact, why we excuse me. Skill in dealing with people. Example, she answered with tact. Why? Because she touched people's feeling carefully. And then tactful, carefully not to offend people. Example, he made a tactful suggestion. And then tactless, meaning not careful with people's feeling. Example, his comment was tactless. And then we have the tang, yeah, meaning touching at one point in geometry. A target line touches the circle at one point. Okay. Tangible, meaning able to be touched. Okay. Intangible, cannot be touched. Ya pokoknya ada kata in itu tidak bisa disentuh ya. Okay, this is TIG, contagious, continuity, con together, take, touch. Okay, and the meaning touching each other. For example, the two countries are contiguous. And then state of being connected. Geographic continuity is important. Thing, continent, yeah. Originally touching a point. Modern meaning expanding what? On something, yeah. Success in and then we have here the trick memory, yeah. Tag, tang, ting, tig, ting. All means touch. Jadi semua ada kata dasar yang kayak ini. Ini artinya touch, ya. T-A-C-T. Then root word for vict and vinct. Yeah, vincer, meaning to conquer, to win. Victory, victorious. Invictus. Example, invictus means undefeated. Yeah, this is supposed to be David Beckham background, but I don't have him background, yeah. So convenience, con completely, wins conquer. Yeah, ordinary means to overcome doubt. Modern meaning pleasure. Example: she convinced me to study harder. Invincible. Okay, in not visible conquer. Number three, Vincent, name or a name meaning conquering. Oh, the victory. Sorry, the rules. Oh, sorry, the memory trick ya. Vic, victory, win. Itu aja ingatnya. Victory, victory, and then Vic is win. Okay, basic meaning. Okay, we have the Latin viver, meaning to live. Revive. Okay. Example: the rain revived the plants. Survival. Continuing. Okay. Example: food. Oh, sorry. And then vivacious, meaning full of life. Vivid, meaning full of life and clarity. Vivi, meaning to make lively. And then the trick, viv is life. Revive, live again. Vivacious, lively. Okay, survival, continue. And then this is the commonly used for suffix, yeah. A suffix came at the end of a word. Example: happy plus ness, happiness. Teacher, teacher. Okay, we have the suffix meaning person who, is person who. Okay, you can see it here. And then suffix full. All right, Katri. Full of, beautiful, less, without, and hopeless, and os, full of, dangerous. Yeah, if, having, quality, creative. Al, related to, natural. Ik, relating to, poetic. Able, capable of, washable. Able, capable of, and visible. Okay, this is suffix with the eyes. Yeah, eyes means make or become. EFY, make, yeah, simplify. And then N, make, strengthen. Then number 8, we have Li in manner, word, direction. Wise is manner. Okay, easy ESL formula or TOEFL student. First step, look at the root. Kita cari rootnya dulu. Okay, and then is Vic, ya. Invincible means conquer. Look for prefix. Kita cari prefixnya. In, oh ini artinya not. Number 3, look for suffix. Able is called capable. Number 4, combine the meaning. Invincible, not conquer, able. Okay, so cannot be conquered is visible, invincible. And then we have the ultimate memory, yeah. String, strict, it means tighten. Tag, tang, tig, ting, it means touch. Vivic, and then vink, conquer with. And then viv atau live, yeah. That's the ultimate memory chart. All right, let's go to here. Last time kita sampai sini ya, belum selesai our reading part. Okay, let's have your turn to talk. I want to hear your pronunciation. Let's start with the back. Kita mulai dari belakang deh. We have David. David S. Can you open mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, David, can you read until here?
from the first, from F.
Mm-hmm. From here until here.
Okay. Can you hear me, sir?
Yep. Harry went.
Harry went to the personnel department of the Phoenix Corporation yesterday for a job interview. His appointment was at 10 a.m. and the interview finished at 10:45.
Okay, thank you. Next one. Can I have Siliwangi, Mas Ahmad? From there to here. This two full stop? Yeah, I think it's two full stop. Hello, Mas Ahmad? Efifa Belina? Okay. Okay, Siliwangi, we wait for you. Next one is Ayu. Ayu? All right. Next one is Sefia Ramawati. Hello, Sefia.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Can you continue?
Yes. He is not sure that he got the job, but he is optimistic about his chances. The interviewer told him that the most important criteria for hiring were the applicant's college grades and previous work experience.
Okay, thank you very much. Very good. Okay, next one from here to here. Okay, the person is Pavita Naya. Hello, Pavita.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. After
After
that,
the in-
hmm?
after the interviewer asked Harry about his education and work experience, she gave him the opportunity to ask her some question about the company. Harry was pleased to learn that the Phoenix Corporation takes good care of its employees.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much. Next one, we have uh, Kayla Angelina.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you read until here, workers? Go ahead. There are.
There are many opportunities for a hard worker to gradually climb the corporate ladder, and each promotion brings an increase in income. In addition, the company has a good retirement program to protect its older workers.
Okay, thank you very good. Next one, from Harry until I think it's here. Yeah, this one. Okay, Sugi. Oh, sorry, Sugi is still working. Oh, sorry, my. Sorry. Yeah, Sugi. Oh, can you?
Danang doing work.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Although.
Danang.
Mhm. Okay, this one, Harry. Oh, okay. Still working, I think, Pak Sugi. All right, let's go to Siliwangi. Hello. Hello, Siliwangi. Okay, cannot Siliwangi. Let's go back to the previous one. Is David. David S. Hello, David.
Yes, sir.
Okay, could you read Harry is especially?
Until Harry is especially excited about the idea of working for the Phoenix Corporation because of a major export project currently being started there. If he is hired, Harry hopes to be assigned to this project.
Mhm. Again, if
Although,
uh,
hmm,
oh, okay. Although
although Harry has applied at several other companies, Phoenix is his first choice.
okay, thank you very much, David. Right, let's go to the next one. Yes, this one. Oh, ini udah. Sorry, sorry. Kita masuk ini udah kayaknya. This one. Sorry, ini juga udah. Okay, this one. Sorry, this one. Harry is optimistic about his chance. What is the same meaning for optimistic? You can write it in the chat box, please. I'll give you 5 minutes. No, the second one. Udah? Udah masuk belum? Okay, finish? You can write it in the chat box, number 1 until number 6. Okay, 3 more minutes. What is the same meaning of optimistic? Harry is optimistic about his chances. And then number 2, the most important criteria for hiring were. Number 3, there are many opportunities for a hard worker. Number 4, each promotion brings an increase in income. Number 5, Harry hopes to be assigned to this project. Number 6, the author's purpose in writing the passage is. Okay, Pavita Naya. BACBAB, oke? Ada yang sama dengan Pavita apa ada yang berbeda? Do we agree with Pavita or do you have other answers? 2 more minutes. Okay, sepia. Sepia has different, but most of them is almost the same. Okay, let's compare between sepia and pavita. Okay, ready? Number 1 is called B. Okay, number 2 is A. Number 3 is C. Okay, so number 2 is A, yeah. Number 4 is B. Number 5 is A. And then B. Okay, yes. Right, kita masuk ke our fourth vocabulary words, and today words is called vacation. Ya, what is vacation? Ada yang tahu apa itu vacation? But we don't have minggu tenang ya in Staycom ya, so I think there's no vacation. But I think after the UAS, you have a quite long vacation there. Okay, vacation means hari libur ya, atau taking a day off. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. There's my relatives coming. Okay, so vacation means a day off, ya, or it's empty. Ya, kalau misalnya di hotel itu, you can ask, is there a room? Yeah, we have a vacation atau vacay room, ya, or vacant, ya, vacant. It's from the base word, kata dasarnya adalah, atau the root one is vacant, ya. Okay, so we have here noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and preposition. So we have adjustment, adjust, adjusted, adjustable. We have canvas, cliff, compromise, compromise, the same, yeah. And then we have echo, echo, echoing. We have extend, extension. And in the verb, we have extended. And for adjective, we have extended and extensive. Yeah. And then we have flex for the verb. Yeah. Flex, flexible, flexed, flexibility. Extensively. Sorry, yeah, extensively. I forgot that one. And then we have luxury. In luxury, luxuriate in, yeah. Luxurious, and then luxuriously, and then we have native, native, the same. Occupant, occupy, occupied, and then occupying, and then pioneer, pioneer, pioneering, and then we have plain, primitive, tension, tensed, and then we have plainly, and then primitively, and then tensely, yeah, for the adverb, and then tent, and then we have tribe, tribal, and also the last one is preposition towards. Okay, from all this word, dari kata-kata ini ada nggak yang you never heard before? Yang belum pernah dengar atau belum pernah understand the meaning? Silakan. If not, I'm going to ask one of you as a randomly choice. Sudah pernah dengar semuanya nih? Really? Okay. Oh, sorry, I haven't stopped to watch yet. Okay. Oh, from Pavita and Kayla. Tribe. Oh, tribe. Tribe means atau tribal ya. Jadi tribe and tribal itu sama ya. Tribe itu adalah suku. Ya, for example, Jakarta is Betawi, ya, Betawi tribe, and then West Java it's Sunda tribe, and then ya itu tribe, and then pioneer itu adalah siapa ya istilahnya? Dia adalah penemu atau pemulanya ya. Pioneer itu seseorang yang mengawali ya. That's pioneer. What is in Indonesia? Seseorang yang yang menciptakan atau mempelopori ya. That's a pioneer, yes. Okay, wait, let me check in Indonesia. What is, and then occupy. Oh, occupy means kayak apa ya? Mengisi ya. Occupy itu kayak mengisi. Pioneer. Oh, pelopor. Ya, sorry, pelopor. Pioneer itu pelopor ya, perintis. Ya, dia yang the first one ya. Pelopor perintis is the first one. Ya, that's another word for pioneer. Oke, ada lagi? Sudah? Oke, let's go. Okay, we gonna read out. Semakin bisa membaca itu semakin melancarkan berbahasa Inggris kita. Okay, so the better you are practicing at reading, the better you will sound like native. Okay, let's try with Maya Dharma. Maya, can you open mic? Hello, Maya. Maya, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we go to Siliwangi. Hello, Siliwangi. Eviva. Belina. Eviva, can you open mic? We have Eviva, Arista, Deswita, Talita, Halima, and Mas Ahmad. What's wrong with this one, Siliwangi? How come we cannot open mic here? Hello, Siliwangi. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we go to Ayu. Ayu, can you open mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Eviva. Oh, Mas Ahmad dulu ya.
Yes.
Okay, Mas Ahmad. Number 1 and 2, Mas.
Number 2, okay.
1 and 2.
1. Number 1, primitive of the earliest time, simple original. Our summer house is primitive. It does not have water or electric. A. Do you like primitive camping? B. Yes, it's very relaxing to get away from modern life for a short time.
Number 2.
2. Tent a cloth house. Sleeping in a tent can be fun. Huh? House. Sleeping in a tent can be fun. A. Does this campground have a special art for tents? B. Yes, it offers grilling. There.
Okay, good. Thank you, Mas Ahmad. Next one, Halima.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 3, Halima.
Canvas, a heavy cloth used to make sails and tents. A canvas tent is strong but is sometimes heavy. A. Why did you buy canvas tennis shoes?
Mhm.
B. Canvas shoes are lighter than leather ones.
Okay, thank you. Next one, Talita.
Yes, sir.
Number 4.
Number 4, cliff. A set of a hill that is high and almost straight up and down. Cliff can be dangerous to climb. A. Let's come by the cliff. B. It's safer by the river unless it floods.
Okay, thank you very much. Next one, Deswita.
Yes, sir.
Number 5.
Echo.
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 No.
So, a sound which is sandpaper or repeated from a surface. If you talk loudly near the cliff, you can hear an echo. A. I feel nervous alone in the forest. B. Yes, especially when you hear that strange echo.
Oke, echo. Kalau echo itu sedap.
Echo.
Oke, thank you. Next one, Arista. Arista, number 6.
Yes, sir. Yes. Extend to make longer.
Mhm.
If we are having fun, we can extend our trip. Student, can I have an extension on my paper? I can finish it be the tweet that. Teacher, all right. I'll extend the tweet that on week.
Oke, thank you, Arista. Next one, Eviva, number 7.
Yes, sir.
Number 7.
Flexible,
Mhm.
able to bend, move, or change easily without breaking. Small trees are flexible. Even in strong wind, they do not break. A. Let's go to Florida next month. B. No, next month is too sun. A. Okay, I'm flexible. We can go whenever you want.
Okay, thank you, Eviva. Right, very good. Next one, number 8 until 10. Can I have Sepia Rahmawati? Sepia Rahmawati.
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 8.
Compromise, an agreement in which each side wins a little and loses a little. If you are flexible, you can often reach a compromise. A. I want Chinese food tonight. B. I want Italian food. A. We can compromise tonight Chinese food and tomorrow Italian.
Okay, very good. Back again. Can I have Maya? Maya Dharma. Maya? Oh? Okay, what's wrong here? I can't open my. Oh, okay, Maya. It's all right. Pavita,
Yes, sure.
number 9.
Luxury. An expensive or rare thing that gives comfort or pleasure. I like luxuries. I want to have a big car and expensive clothes. A. This hotel is really luxurious. B. And expensive too. I'll bid.
Okay, thank you. Are you? Can you open mic? Are you? Are you? Are you number one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Okay, cannot. Sugi. Sugi, can you open mic? Sugi? Sugi 1, Sugi 2, Sugi 3, Sugi 4, Sugi 5. Okay, cannot. Let's go to Kayla, Angelina. Kayla,
Yes, sir.
number 10.
Occupy, to live in, to fill up, or to take up a place. Is this hotel room occupied or is it empty? A. Which camping space do you like? B. I like the one by the lake, but it looks occupied.
Okay, good. Occupy means to fill up, yeah, or take a place. Okay, next 11 until 14. Let's go to Sepia, Rahmawati. Sepia? Sepia, can you open mic? Sepia Rahmawati number 1. Sepia Rahmawati number 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. 11, please.
Yes. Native, someone who lived in a place originally or was born there. Something that was found in a place originally. Native Americans are called Indians. A. I'm lost. Where are we? B. I don't know. Let's ask a native to give us directions.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Next one, we have oh Kayla tadi udah belum Kayla? Kayla Angelina?
Yes, sir.
Okay, number 12.
Pioneer, someone who is the first to enter and live in a region, someone who leads the way in thought and study. When the pioneers went into space, no one knew what they would find. A. This forest is very primitive. B. Yeah, yeah, I feel like a pioneer.
Okay, thank you very much. Next one, we go to Siliwangi again. We'll start with Eviva dulu deh. We start with Eviva at the bottom. Hello Eviva. Can you open mic? Siliwangi? Hello? Siliwangi? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's go to Pavita Naya,
Yes, sure.
number 13.
Trip. Trip. A group of people united by language, social custom, and ancient family ties. Americans, Indians have tribal organization. A. I'd like to visit Arizona and New Mexico. B. Me too. I hear there are some Native American tribes that still live there.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Next one, Siliwangi. I'm connecting with Siliwangi. Can you hear me? Hello, Mas Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Eviva first. Eviva, 14.
40.
Tense, not relax, causing or showing excitement or stress. If we cannot compromise, there will be a lot of tension. A. I came to Rio to relax. B. You were really tense before, but now you seem happy.
Okay, good. Next one, 15. Arista,
Yes, sir.
15.
Iki. I choose to wait, sir, wait.
Okay.
I choose to check in order to make right or better.
Okay.
I that like is to break. B. I choose it so it doesn't hurt your eyes.
Okay.
B. To become used to
Mm-hmm.
it was difficult to adjust to our new life in Tokyo.
Okay, very good Arista. Yeah, so this is adjust, ya. Adjust itu menyesuaikan. Okay, adjust menyesuaikan. And then this one to change, mengubah ya, in order to make the right or better. That light, okay, this is light is too bright. Jadi ditekankannya di sini di bright. Okay, I'll adjust it so it doesn't hurt your eyes. Okay. Okay, thank you. And next one, Deswita. Number 16, Deswita.
Plain, not fancy, simple, ordinary, or average. Rod selects people who are plain and simple because they are easier to live with. A. Do you like to stay in luxury hotels on your vacations? B. No, I prefer plain hotels. Clean bed in a small room is enough for me.
Wow, okay, very good. Next one. Talita.
Towards in the direction of two. If you drive west from Miami, you are going toward the Gulf of Mexico. A. Let's drive toward home tonight. B. Yes, we can find a hotel if it gets late.
Okay, very good. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. Next, let's go to this exercise. Match the word with its definition. Silakan. Number one, kira-kira apa ini? Number one, bareng-bareng. What is number one? Someone born
H.
in a place. H.
H. Native.
Okay, good. H. Number two. Cloth house.
M.
M.
Pen.
Okay, Katri, welcome back.
Sorry, I'm late, sir.
It's all right. Number three, in the direction of.
Toward.
Towards, yes, that's true. Towards. Number four, to take up a place.
E.
Hmm?
E. E.
I. Yes. This one. Occupy. Okay. Number five. Not fancy.
L.
K.
K. Yes.
Ah.
K.
Ha.
country.
K, that's right. You said K. Number 6.
Amateur.
It's all right. It's K. Number 6. The first person to enter new land.
J. Pioneering. J.
Oh, yes,
Pioneer.
J. Yes, pioneer. Okay, good. Next one.
Pioneer.
Not modern and new.
L.
L. Wow, very good. A straight hill of rocks or earth.
C.
C. Good. A type of agreement.
D.
D. Okay, D. Compromise. Good. To make longer. To make longer.
A.
K.
A.
A. No.
A.
No.
Extend.
A. Okay. A. Extend. Yes. A. Number 11. An expensive or uncomfortable
K.
drink. K. What is it?
K.
G.
Luxury.
Okay, G. Luxury. Okay, good. Okay, this one. Tents are often made from.
Clothes.
No.
Oh, okay.
Tents doesn't came from clothes. Ada yang tahu? What is tents made from? Tenda dibuat dari apa tenda?
Canvas.
Okay, canvas. Yes. Next one. You can sometimes hear your voice in the woods. What is you can hear your voice in the woods? The same as delicious in Javanese.
Echo.
Okay, echo. Alright, next one. The mountain range to the ocean. The mountain range to the ocean.
Far.
No, not far. Ada sebuah bukit tapi madepnya ke lautan. Start with a sk. Ending in f.
Cliff.
Yes, cliff. Next one. Expensive clothes, fur, and fancy cars are?
Luxury.
Okay, luxurious. Next one. If someone is staying in a room, that room is? Start with occupy. Okay. Next one. Something American is called an Indian.
Native.
Native, yes. Group of people who are not modern, they're often called?
Primitive.
Primitive. Okay, now after driving for 3 hours in heavy traffic, you may feel?
Easy.
No, not busy. Not
Dizzy.
easy. What is it? Ada nggak di sini?
Apa ya?
Oh, tak ada. Sebentar. Di sini, you might feel.
Tension.
Huh? Yes,
Tension.
tension. Yes. Tension, tegang. Okay. Yeah, especially if you're mudik ya. Kalau mudik biasanya tegang. Okay. Next one, exercise. True or false? Pioneer are natives of the place where they are pioneering. Pioneers are natives of the place where they are pioneering.
False.
False. Okay, good. Number 2, tribes no longer exist. Yeah,
False.
false, of course. Tribe masih ada, ya, especially in Indonesia. If you flex your arms, you will hurt yourself. You know what flex mean? Flex is kayak dicetitin gitu loh.
Berarti true ya?
Sometimes kalau orang bule ya nggak suka dicetitin, tapi kalau orang Indonesia suka ya. Oke. You can adjust your television if the picture is bad. You can adjust your television if the picture is bad. True or false?
False.
True. You can adjust.
true.
Diubah, yes. Kan kalau
Yang
gambarnya jelek,
diubah, yang diubah kan antenanya, Mister.
you can adjust your television. Oh iya deh, sorry, false. Yes, thank you Katri. Ya, kalau TV-nya diubah nggak ini?
Baru. Ganti channel itu.
Sorry, yes, very good. I didn't see that one. Okay, you read or watch TV in order to feel tense.
False.
False. This is sometimes make you relax, yeah, if you watch TV or read a book. If you
Iya.
like plain living, you like luxuries. True or false? If you like plain living, you like luxuries.
False.
True. If you like plain living, and then you will certainly like luxuries. It's true. Next one, number 7. An extensive vacation is a long one.
True.
True, yeah, because extension means to make it longer. If you fall off a cliff, you could hurt yourself.
False.
It's true.
I could die, sir. Not hurt, I could die.
Yeah, but maybe you're in coma. Okay, yeah, but it's true, yeah. You may be in coma first, yeah. And then a compromise is a way to end a disagreement. A compromise is a way to end a disagreement. Is it true or is it false?
True.
True, that's right. And then number 10, an echo is repetition of a sound. Repetition itu pengulangan. True. Yes, it's true. Okay, the next one. Write the word from the word charge in this unit, which is the opposite. Ya, lawan kata berarti. Relax, lawannya. Tadi apa? Yang sudah dibaca tadi relax, lawannya adalah
Tension.
tension. Yes, thank you. Next one, poverty. Lawan katanya? Poverty itu kemiskinan. Lawan kata dari poverty. Oh, sorry. Someone is writing. Okay, sorry. Okay, yes, luxury. Katri, thank you. Luxury. Next one, modern is
Primitive.
primitive. Yes. Fancy. What is fancy? Fancy itu hingar-bingar, kayak hidup di kota. Banyak lampu, hingar-bingar. Tapi kalau di
Plain?
desa, huh?
Plain?
Plain, yes, good, plain. Okay, next one, inflexible. What is inflexible?
Flexible.
Yes, flexible, that's right. Inflexible tinggal diganti aja, flexible. Okay, next one, write the word from the word. Oh, is there another word for inflexible? Oh, yeah, this one, flexible, yeah, flexibility. Okay, write the word from the word chart in this unit, which is the synonym. Persamaan kata, synonym of the word phrase given. Explorer. What is explorer? Persamaan dari explorer is start with a P.
Pioneer.
Pioneer, okay. Next one, bend.
Flex.
Flex, okay, good. Make longer.
Extend.
Extension, okay. Repeat.
Echo.
Echo, feel.
Occupy.
Occupy, yes. Okay, right. We still have 10 more minutes. Let's play a little game, everyone. Kita akan main sedikit game tentang what is it? Prefix, ya. So we're gonna play about the prefix game here. Oh, where is it? Sebentar. Okay, yeah, this one. All right. This one, oh, sorry. Okay, let's 8 minutes, we'll finish. Go ahead. You can log in. log in. Hey Siliwangi, where are you? We still have 10 people here. Kayla and Sepia already, Katri already, Pavita already. Okay, Siliwangi. Where is Siliwangi? Waiting for Siliwangi here. And Maya. Maya also. We still have 10 more minutes.
White shirt. Loading terus ya. Sinyal buruk. Tingkat juga buruk ini.
Oke, digabung. Oke, right. Okay, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ahead. Go, Pavita! Oh my god! Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish. Okay. We have Katri, the first one.
Yay!
Okay. I think that's all for today, guys. Okay. Let's open video for documentation. Thank you very much for coming. Congratulations, Katri. You are the winner. Number 2 is Favita and Sevilla. I cannot catch up to the... And Siliwangi. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more. Okay, one more freestyle. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you everyone for joining me this session. See you guys on next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.
Terima kasih, Pak.
Thank you very much, Katri and Siliwangi. Thank you. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today's lesson. Yeah. So this is yeah, our 13th meeting. Yeah, for the TOEFL class semester 4. Yeah, TOEFL class preparation. Thank you for joining me in this video learning. We'll see you guys on next week. The same YouTube channel and also same time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.